2 days in a city and not a single familiar number in my phone. That was Lisbon for me.
Oof, I've burned that one too. Left a co-working space feeling like I ghosted everyone. Ugh.
Right. Picture this. You land at 2 p.m., work beside someone in a shared table that afternoon, have one low-key meet in the evening, and by the next morning, you have someone you can text if you need help. That's the goal.
Totally. The system is 3 simple levers, 1 micro-habit ritual, 1 appearance refresh, and 1 compact conversation move. Use them together and they compound. Small things, big effect.
So, quick habit first. Arrival checkpoint, evening micro-favor, departure check-in, each 2 to 5 minutes max.
Arrival could be a 10-second voice note in the Spaces chat. Landed. I'll be at the green table for an hour if anyone's around. No performance, just signal.
And later, an evening micro-favor. Offer to bring someone a coffee or ask a tiny specific question. That creates reciprocity without pressure.
Important safety note, always offer favors optional and small. Use permission phrases like, is it okay if I ask? That reduces social friction and keeps things light.
Quick practical tip. Stack the habit with an alarm. Arrival check, 20 minutes after landing. Evening ask, 90 minutes before your meetup ends. Tiny nudges build the routine.
Exactly. Predictability for you, safety for others. Okay, appearance in 2 minutes. What goes in your kit, James?
My travel refresh, face cleanser wipe, moisturizer with SPF, a small comb, and a scent strip. Then 1 signature cue, a tidy collar or a consistent micro gesture you repeat. It tells people you take care of yourself.
For women, quick anti-aging and confidence fades, a cooling face mist, tinted SPF stick to even tone, and a subtle lip tint. Add 3 breath resets and a shoulder roll before you stand up. Posture shifts approachability instantly.
Present beats perfection. 2 minutes, done. People reading a small routine as reliability, that's the social currency we want.
Now, the communication move that ties the day together. 2-question depth opener, a curious question, then a reflective follow-up. Example, what's one thing about this city that surprised you? Then, why did that stand out to you? You pull story, not facts.
Then the reciprocity close. Offer something tiny and tie it to a specific continuation. Roleplay quick. That cafe tip is gold. Can I send a photo tomorrow if I swing by?
Okay, hold up. Grab your number can sound transactional. Tone matters. Better, I love that tip. Would you mind if I sent a photo of the pastries? I'd love your opinion. Warm, collaborative.
I worry about losing momentum if you soften too much. Sometimes you need a direct ask. What's one short line that keeps the warmth but keeps the flow?
Try this tight, warm line. I really liked your tip. Mind if I send a quick photo later? No pressure. 12 words, permission, and a low social cost.
Nice! Keeps momentum and feels human. All right, let's actually play the 36-hour scene so listeners can copy verbatim.
You land at 2 p.m., head straight to a coworking. Arrival check, quick message in the chat, then sit and open with the 2-question opener to the person beside you.
Hey, I'm James, here for a couple days. What drew you to this space? Follow with, what do you usually do to recharge here? That invites story.
Evening invite. I'm grabbing a casual pizza around 7. Wanna join? Low stakes, easy RSVP. After the meet, within 24 hours, send gratitude plus a specific line. Loved meeting you. Your hike tip was perfect. If you want a coffee buddy while I'm here, ping me.
Departure morning, 2 lines. Heading to the airport, really enjoyed our time. Can I check in next time I'm in town? Or offer the small follow-up you promised. Mind if I send that photo of the route later? Keep it linked and light.
For safety and female listeners, add a buffer. Would you mind if I shared my contact? No pressure at all. Permission lowers social risk and usually increases trust.
Okay. Honest friction. This can feel scripted. Sophia, how do people keep it authentic?
Use scripts as scaffolding. Practice the rhythm, not the words. If it feels stiff, shorten it. Ask one curious question, listen, then offer one tiny thing. Authenticity lives in what you do, not how many clever lines you memorize.
Ready for a 1-week experiment you can start tomorrow? We'll keep it bite-sized.
Day 1. Pack your 2-minute refresh kit and set the arrival alarm.
Day 2. Use the 2-question opener twice.
Day 3. Join or host one micro-meet.
Day 4. Send follow-ups within 24 hours.
Days 5 to 7. Repeat. Track who replied, who offered something back, and whether you'd reach out again. Aim for one reliable contact per 36-hour stop.
If you want guided practice, join our 5-day Nomad Connection Lab. Daily prompts, group practice, and live feedback to make this a habit.
Send us a DM with one short win. One reliable contact after 36 hours. We love hearing those. And remember, small daily habits create magnetic presence. Let's optimize you from the inside out.
Build the habit. Become the person who shows up predictably. Presence beats perfection.
That's our practical advice for today. Building strong connections is part of building a successful nomad life. If you're ready to test the 36-hour anchor, sign up for the Nomad Connection Lab and message us your first win. Let's optimize you from the inside out. Optimize yourself. Connect deeper. Live freer.